In August, the Pope calls us to pray for peace and mutual coexistence. In many parts of the world, people struggle to live together due to differences in religion, politics, ethnicity, or beliefs. These differences can lead to misunderstanding, hatred, and even violence. But God calls us to unity, not division. Mutual respect, dialogue, and compassion are the keys to peaceful living. Let us pray that communities may resist the urge to fight and instead build bridges of understanding. May we learn to see one another as brothers and sisters created in the image of God and live together in harmony.